guys have been asking for a Kia Stinger GT, and now I finally have a chance to drive one. This is really my first time in a GT. This is the rear-wheel drive, and I'm pretty excited to see what it's like. I hear this is kind of the sweetheart of the group. We've got a short drive route that we're going to take it on today, but before we get it on the road, let me show you guys around this real quick. I was really impressed with the last Stinger 2.0T all-wheel drive that I drove. Really nice all-round sedan. And this is, of course, no exception. For some of my thoughts on what that was just like to live with, amenities, stuff like that, feel free to check out my review on that. It's on the channel as well. This is going to be a little bit more of a driving experience. Test. Same massive fastback style trunk. Let's see what this is like on the road here. We're going to start off, put this into sport mode, and see what she's got. Oh yeah. Right off the bat, fantastic power. Brakes feel really good. Awesome shifts in the corners. We're going to slow it down here just a little bit to test those brakes. Pedal feel is fantastic. Transmission is super smooth. Tons of acceleration from this thing. This is a beast. Love the pedal feel. Wow, really surprisingly fast. I wasn't expecting it to be this good. Just effortless wave of torque from the turbo V6. Has an interesting sound to it. Let's put it into comfort mode here. Let it settle down just a little bit. Suspension softening up just a tad, keeping nice low revs. I just love the way this car drives down the road. It feels so premium, so nice. In comfort mode, shifts are effortlessly smooth. You can barely detect them. Throttle mapping is great. We've just got a nice little bit of kick from the turbocharger when you want it, but otherwise it's very smooth to drive. Great turn in. The transmission does a good job of holding a gear and letting the torque just kind of pull you forward. Doesn't seem to be over shifting. Dynamically, this is fantastic. Just a lovely car to drive. Steering wheel is nice and small, kind of right up to your chest. I like the flat bottom. Not a whole lot different interior-wise between the GT and the other cars, but you've got a nice GT logo on the steering wheel. These seats are absolutely fantastic. Really nice bolstering, sporty look and feel. You've got an extendable. Got some thigh support down there, which always looks pretty neat and sporty. Let's take it around another corner here. Let's test out the paddles. It's going to shift for you automatically. Really responsive paddle shifters in the back. Give it one more acceleration up this hill. It lets you have a little bit of fun in sport mode. Kicks the tail out just a bit. Hearing just a little bit of interior creaking and rattling in the back. That was a complaint on the last Stinger GT I drove, but otherwise this thing is just phenomenal. What a car. Really punches above its weight and is a lot of fun to drive. Let's see how we look under the bridge here. Put it back into comfort mode. Let's go drive an all-wheel drive one too, and we'll post a video on that later on. Looks good in white too. Alright guys, well that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in another video. Take care.